Welcome students. Let us solve problem related to height and distance. In this problem we are given a tree is broken due to storm and broken part bends so that the top of tree touches the ground making angle of 30 degree. With it, the distance between the foot of the tree to the point where the top touches ground is 8 meter. Find height of tree. Let us suppose it represents tree. It is broken at this point and it touches the ground in this way. Now we are given it will fall in this way. It means this part is same as this part. These are equal. Let us name it A, B, C, D. BD equal to height of tree. It is broken at point C. C and touches ground at E. It will touch at this point A. This angle is given 30 degree and this distance is 8 meter. Angle BAC (30°). AB equal to 8 meter and this angle is 90 degree. Now we are concerned with this triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, first of all we have to find this BC. We are given base BC upon AB, perpendicular upon base. It is tan 30 degree. BC is not given, but AB is 8. It is equal to 1 upon root 3. Value of tan 30 degree is 1 upon root 3. It means BC will be equal to 8 upon root 3 meters. Multiply it by 1. Now we have to find AC also. But AB is given. In triangle, again in triangle ABC. We are given this part AB upon AC. It is base upon hypotenuse. It will be cos 30 degree. AB is 8. AC is not given. Cos 30 is root 3 upon 2. Cross multiply. 8 multiply 2 equal to AC multiply root 3. What is value of AC? AC equal to 16 upon root 3. 8 multiply to 16, 16 upon root 3 meters. What is total height of tree? Now be careful. Height of tree is BC plus CD. It is equal to BC plus AC because AC and CD are same. What is BC? 8 upon root 3. AC is 16 upon root 3. LCM is same as root 3. 8 plus 16, 24 meters. We can rationalize it. 24 upon root 3 multiply root 3 upon root 3. 24 root 3 upon 3. Cancel it by 8. 8 root 3 meter is height of this tree. Please be careful. These distances are same. Instead of CD, we will take AC. And this is height of the tree, 8 root 3. Please like, share and subscribe Alpha Beta YouTube channel. Thank you.